Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be discussing Terra. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy Luna, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next Whale to the Moon coin. Let's get into it. The Terra blockchain was launched in 2019 and aims to provide stable coins that combine decentralized freedom of cryptocurrencies with the stability of traditional fiat currencies. Terra offers the TerraUSD or UST stablecoin, which is pegged to the US dollar. But it also offers stablecoins that are pegged to many other currencies, including the South Korean won, the euro, and the Mongolian tugrig. In addition to offering blockchain services, Terra is also a completely digital, decentralized financial corporation that operates as a central bank in its own domain. Terra's unique service offering allows clients to accrue interest in their digital assets, spend it using the company's payment system, or even trade in synthesized stocks. The Terra platform uses a price stability algorithm that proactively changes an asset's monetary supply to maintain its value, guaranteeing cheaper fees, increased stability, smoother cross-border exchanges, and more responsive financial assets. Terra's main focus is stable coins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to another asset. There are already quite a few stable coins, most of which are pegged to the US dollar. Terraform Labs raised $32 million to fund the development of Luna, with investments from reputable, centralized sources, including Binance, Huobi, and OKEx. Terra already has millions of users, with several ambitious projects under development, and offers a unique selection of stable coins and related financial services. So, who created Terra? The founding team was headed by entrepreneur and investor Daniel Shin, who graduated from Wharton School of Economics and founded HOF, a fintech portfolio company. Terra was developed by the Korean firm Terraform Labs in 2018. Daniel Shin partnered with Do Kwon, and they created Terra as a way to drive the rapid adoption of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency by focusing on price stability and usability. Terra has a wide variety of stable coins to choose from, including the TerraUSD UST, the Terra SDR or SDT, the Terra KRW or KRT, and the Terra MNT. Terra stablecoins offer seamless cross-border value exchange and instantaneous swaps between one another, all while employing instant settlements and extremely low fees for use by anyone, anywhere. Terra aims to combine the borderless benefits of cryptocurrencies with the day-to-day price of stability of fiat currencies. Terra utilizes a configurable architecture to deliver self-stabilizing stablecoins using an elastic monetary supply mechanism, which enables the network to change the supply of its stablecoins automatically to keep their prices tied to their underlying assets. Using the Anchor protocol, Terra offers its clients low volatility savings as a way for Terra stablecoin holders to receive incentives. Terra stablecoins receive earnings in the same way as a bank account does, and the Anchor rate is supported by a diverse supply of staking rewards from major proof-of-stake blockchains, making it far more stable than money market interest rates. Anchor also enables instant deposits and withdrawals, and serves as a lending system, allowing borrowers to to secure short-term loans with liquid staked POS assets from various blockchains. Terra also utilizes the Mirror protocol, which is a DeFi protocol powered by smart contracts on the Terra blockchain, allowing the creation of stimulated assets known as M-assets or mirrored assets. Basically, M-assets replicate the market behavior of real-world assets, allowing traders from all over the world to gain price exposure without the hassle of owning or transacting actual assets. Terra's native token, Luna, is listed on several cryptocurrency exchanges, including Bitfinex, Binance, Bitpanda, and Huobi, where it is available to be traded against fiat currencies, stablecoins, and other cryptocurrencies. The total supply of Luna coins stands at around 994 million, and the circulating supply is currently at approximately 403 million. In order to buy Luna, you will first need to open an account with a trusted exchange, such as Gemini or Voyager, and then your account needs to be funded. Once you have funded your account with your preferred exchange, you can purchase Luna tokens and transfer them to your secure crypto wallet to ensure that you have full ownership of the asset. The safest form of storage is a trusted crypto wallet with good ratings to avoid the theft of assets, the loss of access keys, and so that you know you truly own the coins and tokens that you purchase. Based on research, we have compiled a list of some of the top 3 wallets that are compatible with the Terra ecosystem and suitable for storing Luna. The first wallet is the Ledger Nano hardware wallets. The Ledger Nano hardware wallets are secure and reliable, supports multiple cryptocurrencies, and the most prominent feature of this wallet is its security. It can be taken off the grid at any time, making it almost impossible for hackers to steal your assets. It can store up to 100 applications, and it is possible to manage all your assets directly from the device. This wallet supports more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies, and it is one of the most trusted wallets, with all your private keys stored inside the hardware wallet's chip. The next wallet is the Terra Station wallet, which is the official wallet for native Terra assets and tokens. This is a non-custodial wallet, meaning it is safe, secure, and only you have access to your private keys. It allows you to connect to decentralized applications, stake Luna, managed mirrored assets, view transaction histories, and connect with web smart contract interfaces. And lastly, Math Wallet is a multi-platform universal crypto wallet that also features cross-chain token exchanges, the ability to create wallets in the application, secures your assets with private keys using two-factor authentication, mnemonic phrases, and more. Math Wallet enables the storage of over 50 blockchains and 3,000 tokens. So what do we like about Terra? TerraUSD is the first decentralized interchain stablecoin that is scalable and yield-bearing. This next-generation blockchain payment network hopes to improve the efficiency of payment service providers and plans to increase the value of assets for customers in Asian markets. Terra, in particular, uses a single blockchain layer to decrease or eliminate the requirement for credit card networks, banks, and payment gateways. Luna token holders have a say in the future of Terra because Luna is a governance token and holders have voting rights in its projects, creating a fully transparent environment. The Terra network provides low-cost programmable payments and transaction costs, and an infrastructure that makes the development of decentralized applications, or DApps, and stablecoins much easier. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Terra. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.